Rosella? Not Rosella.
Coconut sugar.
We've arrived in Hoi An. And this is where we're staying, the wonderful Dawn Villa. Not only is this room beautiful, but the family running the guest house are so nice and welcoming, as you'll soon see later in the video. After settling in and enjoying some lunch, we embark on a walking tour of Hoi An's gorgeous old town. The tour calls at a handful of the city's historic landmarks, and for that, you need to pay a small entry fee. I've deliberately not used music on this part of the video so that you can soak in the atmosphere. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Alright. Sound testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me clearly? Matt, everything is good?
All good back here.
Alright, alright. That's great. How about my English? Everything is good?
Perfect.
Alright. Thank you, thank you. If I'm stumbling in the middle of the speech or my spelling is incorrect, please stop me, okay? Alright, if you have any question as well, please ask me. Feel free to ask me too. Otherwise, death penalty will be back to that.
One of our first stops was at the 16th century Japanese bridge, upon which is a small temple.
So many temples, especially in the local area, when you go inside, they will come over here, face up to the god, look at him, and then hold the incense with 2 hands. Japanese street. So for many people, you only stay in Tokyo. Have more power to control the climate and the weather here. Anyway, so if you walk down the street,
Another fantastic tour that we booked through Guru Walk. There's a link in the description if you're interested.
and 1 month during the raining season. Yeah, and in the paper that you see in the middle, in Vietnam, you see the god that in a red face off is the god protection right behind us.
This is Quan Thang Ancient House, built in the 18th century and originally owned by a Chinese captain and merchant.
The living room area. This part of the house, you can see like other parts as well. It's made mostly from wood. In the past, when Chinese community, so that's why houses in the front is very small, and houses, and they need to divide it through like that.
Yes. Looking forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Looks like it's going to be a dumpling day.
Time for a traditional music and dance performance. With no more room in the main auditorium, we're ushered high up to the small balcony. Our final stop is at Ba Li Market, a huge market where locals are able to buy fresh produce.
Coconut sugar.
So I'm gonna be a salesman. I'm gonna be.
Oh my god.
They sell many different types of fruit here. All right, here is the test for everyone. If you pass the test, you leave me. If you don't pass the test, you stay with me. Okay? Just kidding. Don't worry too much about it. All right. What about this one?
Rosella? Rosella?
Rose.
Rosella?
Rosella? Not Rosella.
With darkness descending on the ancient city, the famous lanterns of Hoi An flicker into life. Everyone's focus of attention turns to the river, where rowboats are waiting.
By day, the old town looks really different, especially the river.
But the daylight highlights one of the problems that we thought might be an issue. It highlights the rubbish. And particularly this rubbish is the lanterns that you're encouraged to light at night and sail on the water surface. We did wonder whether anyone would be picking this stuff up, and clearly not. Later, we're invited to lunch by the family running our guest house. They lay on a feast for us and ensure everything is vegan.
So we're kind of excited to go and see it.
After lunch, we hire some bicycles and head towards the coast, where we simply chill out in the sunshine. On the way back, we cycle through some rice paddies. Later that evening, as we head back for the night, the ever-accommodating family invite us to join them for drinks, which quickly turns into a karaoke session. We can't include the audio due to copyright reasons. Probably for the best anyway. If you really want to hear the original audio, let us know. Perhaps we'll release it on our Instagram. Next time, our journey through Vietnam continues to Nha Trang. Subscribe now to make sure you don't miss it.